Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, guys, those two books are mandatory. Open your eyes up to the world of how it works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who have shopped at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We saw, of course, Bitcoin continues to lift off. Bitcoin went up about 3,000 since that Friday. And remember, guys, I told you, you're not going to always find that perfect bottom, but that was a perfect entry point for all cryptos because they took a good beating. Now, the fact is that, of course, we had Ethereum drop down to 500. Now it's above 600. But one thing that we still have open is what? That's right, CME gap. So, guys, we see the stock market is taking a hit today. And 90% chance when the stock market takes a hit during the day, what do? We pull back. Like I stated yesterday, I do see a pullback for today. Yes, we moved up this morning, but I do see a pullback. And then after that pullback, we may move ahead. But remember, guys, keep your eyes focused on the indicators. The indicators is XRP and stablecoins. We saw the stablecoins below that 99.9 longer than we ever seen it. And we see these big pumps that we've been having. The indicators will not steer you wrong if you're new to this channel. When Tether USDC is above that dollar, way above that dollar, then of course most likely the market will go down. When the actual stable coins are below that 99.9 for a longer period of time, we have pumps. So make sure you go, there's different websites where you can set indicators to let you know, okay, Tether and USDC is below that 99.9 and lets you know how long. So guys, make sure you set up those alerts. Now, the fact is that we did have coin market cap go down a little bit this morning as it was pumping. And then I clicked on it again. I think it was at about 19.7. When it finally came back up, then we dropped down to 19.4. But guys, definitely we almost hit that 20,000 mark. And guys, this is our second test. But don't forget, of course, the Fed cuts that check tomorrow. But don't forget, guys, that the repos are going to start closing. I can't say this enough. Liquidity is going to start shrinking. It does not matter cryptos or the stock market, because the fact is right now we still don't have real utility. Now, wonderful news is that we do have Ethereum set to launch. And also, I'm going to go over that later on in this video. That can actually be the big catalyst that's going to move us, extremely high next year. Now, guys, let's get over into the actual crypto news. We have Acropolis basically teams up with Yearn to actually boost institutional outreach. Now, guys, remember what Brian Brooks stated, is that basically DeFi is the new banking. And, guys, we can see that coming fast because right now we have Bolivian cattle ranch will be tokenized to open business to investors. And, guys, remember I always talk about technology being the good and the evil. And guys, this is what crypto basically was meant to do. So basically when you have companies or you're talking about banking the unbanked where they have different farms and they may need supplies, now you have the option of going in and finding loans, liquidity. Basically, that's all it is. So when we talk about tokenization of real estate, guys, you're going to be able to invest with people around the world. So we're going to start seeing people owning pieces of property together that have never even met each other. And I've been over this time and time again. But definitely, guys, that is going to be moving forward. And DeFi is going to play a big piece in that for return on investment. So definitely is coming, guys, and it's coming fast. Now we have the UAE and Saudi Arabia central banks trialing a project, Aber central bank digital currency. So we know that Ripple signed a contract back in, I think it was 2018, trialing a program. But now we see they're trying to do their own project. But guys, we know that most of these big countries have already stated they're going to be doing a central bank digital currency. We know it's already ready in the back, guys. Don't forget I told you that. Now, guys, getting over into the actual world news, which is some very, very big news. Of course, I've done plenty of videos on LIBOR. Now, basically, the OCC came out and said that actually using the current USD LIBOR rate is going to end December 31st, 2021, and those contracts will expire 2023. Now, we know what's to replace it, of course, is SOFR, which we know is a secured rate. But, guys, we know that Ameribor is unsecured, and that's going to be used in the Ethereum blockchain. So, guys, we're talking about trillions of dollars of derivative swaps. So, that is definitely huge news. So, definitely we see the changes are about to come. We definitely know something is big about to happen. Now, lastly, guys, since I didn't bring you a video to make you think last night, just to make you think, this article here, basically it's about the China media. They have a show, If You Are the One. Now, the regulators have told them to stop promoting the love of money. China hates money worship. And guys, who does that remind you of? That's right, America. When we had morals and values, that's how it used to be. But of course, we lost all that. And the fact is that we see the United States, of course, media is going to be, of course, moving into China. Remember, I told you they're going to actually try to do a paradigm shift for them to bring them from poverty to middle class, the same way they did America. America had all those American values, but they used TV to move in that devil mindset. And definitely we're going to see that transition. We get to see the transition. What happened to us, we get to see it in China. So that's definitely amazing that they pointed out. And even in America, of course, things will come on television that shouldn't have been on television. We had plenty of people try to fight it, but of course, they just kept beating that, oh, you're trying to censor this, you're trying to censor that. But of course, China is different because, of course, it's a communist country. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Also, guys, the stock channel. Don't forget about the stock channel. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your gaming, your banking. Also, where everybody's sitting at home, don't forget about the at-home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody is at home, sitting at home, getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.